Hello, it's Veba, and yesterday me and my Moroccan husband we bought a Soviet house in a small village in the heart of Siberia. And today I would like to do you some tour in our new house. Let's go! By the way, this is our tractor. You saw it. Let's go, let's open this door. And honestly, just today it's first time we came to this house, so we didn't change nothing, we didn't touch anything, and we don't know what we will find. So let's discover together. The first thing you can see is our garden with a lot of beautiful flowers, and my favorite ones is those ones. They are so beautiful. Oh, it's my favorite color of roses. Let's go. These are our windows. They are like this Soviet, you know, hundreds of years it looks like. Next thing you can see in front of yourself is this amazing room for cold, because as you know, in Siberia we have very cold winters, and I really advise you to try it. Then you will order a lot of coal. As you can see, clothes are also Soviet. Russian traditional. Next thing what you will see is Russian sauna. Let's go. Let's see what's there. Light is at home, turning on. Let's go to turn on light. Let's discover Russian banya. Like this it looks. This is our traditional handmade heater, by the way. Let's see what you can see. Amazing, huh? You don't have like this in your country. Also, this is the sauna where you can sit, relax, and after you're going inside, and this is what you see. If you compare it to our old sauna, at least you can stay and feel yourself comfortable. So here you can sit, and like this it looks. And this is a heater from other side, as you can see how it looks. Also, here you can turn on water and bring it here. Nice. Here it's heating water, and after you can put it and take it out. Like this it looks from outside. Here you can open your windows. Okay. And next thing what you can see is our garden. And it looks very beautiful with a lot of vegetables and very huge territory. Next thing what you can see is this old broken place where you can sit and drink tea and eat breakfast and look at this beautiful nature. The most incredible thing in this house is this, that our house is last in the street, and there is no one ever coming here to see what we are doing. And it's so beautiful forest behind. Next thing what I will show you, it's our place where we will keep woods. Let's discover. Wow! Here it is. Here is place for our woods, and you know, some things you can keep here, and like it's very important to have it. Okay? Let's close it. Next thing what you can see, it's my favorite place in this house. A lot of trees with many berries, and I love it so much. You can go between them. Let's go. And eat some cherry. Also write in comments if you know which one is this berry or not, because I forgot how to say it in English. Let's go out of our garden. Also, those are grapes. I hope we will have some, because it looks a little bit dry, as this summer it was so hot, and you know, berries, they are drying. This is also trees of berries, vegetables. But me and my husband, we are planning to build here big farm with a lot of animals, bring our chickens here, our goats, rabbits. All this, it will be for animals. Let's go here. I will show you handmade greenhouse, and last owners, they told us that it's staying for 6 years, and it's works super good. Oi, This is this greenhouse. Here also I can stay if you compare it to our old house. Those are tomatoes, these are cucumbers, peppers, and you see this road? Like this is so comfy, you're going inside, and that's all. Also, life hack. You cannot do water one time in 3 days. You can just do one time a week, fill these bottles, and they're going down to roots of these plants. And like this, your plants are always having water. It was so hot inside, so let's go. I will show you next thing. Oh, we forgot. We forgot to take the most important thing. It's keys from our chicken coop. We will use it as chicken coop or place for goats, rabbits, you know. Also look at this thing. How to use it even. How to use like this? Yes, you put something between this, and this is also Soviet, I think, and also handmade. What does mean? That's all? Like you put something between and you close it and it keeps it for you. Very interesting and very usable. Here we are planning also to build some building. This is place for fixing this. Look at this mechanism. That's amazing. And for what is this? No one knows. Okay, let's go to our future chicken coop. Also, it's made from rocks. This log, what you see, you will never see in your life because this is also, I don't understand what is this log. Obviously, some Soviet. What is this log? Okay, 1 hour later. I don't understand. Husband, can you open? Whoa. Let's go inside and discover what's there. We didn't do light. I will not do light, so let's try to see just like this because I'm afraid it will take me some 10 hours to understand. Like this it looks. It's so big room and we are so happy about this room because our animals, they will feel comfy. Just for winter we will need to heat it and close these all holes, and that's amazing. Like this here will be our rabbits, like this stay in their cages, and I like it. Write in comments if you like this place or not. This is the house for a dog, but we are not keeping our dog outside, so we will not use it. Next thing you will see is toilet outside. Like this it looks Russian toiletos. Also, we already delivered our woods some 1 week ago, and we just let it here because we knew that we are buying this house, and soon we will bring them to its place. So now I think I showed you everything. Also, you forgot to see that this is the gate where you can come on car or on our tractor, and this is other. Also behind us you can see there is nothing. Emptiness. So I think I showed you everything outside. Now we will go inside of the house and I'll show you everything. Let's go. Hello. No, 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 no. How it's nice to live in like this big territory. And now we arrived to our house. Let's come and I will show you. Look, this is called крыльцо. Let's go inside. By the way, this thing is to protect you from insects, and after it's closing like this, automatic. Innovations. Next thing you can see, we call it summer kitchen, and here you can just even sleep in the summer because it's so warm and cool, and you can hear birds and everything. Like this it looks our walls. From this material our house is made, and like this it looks. Also here you can see rag on the wall. Russian tradition, always we have rags on the wall because it's protecting you from cold days in the winter. And here you can see it like this. Next you can see this bed. It's for people who like to spend the day in the summer kitchen. Here it's other chair, There is this Soviet closet, and now I will show you our stock room. Let's discover what's there. Look, like this it looks. Here you can keep your things for your cucumbers, tomato, you know, in bottles, salty. Like this it looks, and it's so big. I didn't even see how big is this when we were buying this house. It's very nice. And now the most interesting, it's our house inside. Like this it looks. This is our first entry room, and this is our closet. Let's discover what's there. This granny lettuce. What does it mean? What does it mean? Okay, bye. Like this it looks. Also Soviet closet. And the first room what I will show you, it's our kitchen. It's big like this, and you can do everything and sit here near this window and look in this window. Like this it looks our kitchen. Like this it looks our heater, and it's built good, almost like in our other house. But not everyone has like this heaters. Some people, they have so old and like, you know, you should take care a lot of it. But this one, it's good. Like this it looks. Here you can heat water and add it here, and that's all. You have hot water for free. And the next room what I will show you, it's our living room. Here is a refrigerator. I don't know why and for what, but this is how it looks, and it's also so big, and it can live whole family here and sit on this Soviet sofa. Wow, look at this watch. I'm pretty sure it's some 1950. And like this it looks. Also, I will explain you which heating of the house we have, which we didn't have in other house. It's in the winter you do stove, and water is going through this. So hot water, it's heating all your house. And this is amazing because not each house has like these things. It will be warmer, and especially for like this big house, it's very, very important. Did you see this amazing baby? Soviet house. Oh my God. And also I would like to show you this strange thing what we just discovered today. I don't know what does it mean and for what is this. Look how it's opening. Russian locks, it's just something amazing. Oh, wait. Something is broken. Like this it looks, and look at this. What does it mean? And here is refrigerator. Oh my God, it's first time I see something like this. Also here is other Soviet table. 100 years old and still staying. Let's go see the next room. Next room, here is the mirror. Next room, it's our bedroom, what we will create as we want, and it looks small, but it's not that small. It's pretty enough space for everything. Some furniture, closet, you know, like these things. Also, here's the window where you can be stalker and watch your neighbors. You know, village people, they are like this. Next thing I will show you is shower! Oh my God, we have shower! I can't believe it! Like this it looks. Also, of course, it should be all changed, but it's good to have it, you know. Also, here is cleaning machine. Also Soviet, I think. That's very interesting. Next thing I will show you is restroom, you know, to rest. And other room, what we plan to use for guests, where to do lights. The strangest lights in this house. I don't understand, where are they always? Somewhere from outside or something. How to find, where is the light really? She has it here or not? This, no. Where is the light? Next thing what you will see and you will be shocked about. Have you ever seen like this? Think to turn on light. Why it's like this? Why it's not like this? And here too. What does it mean? No one knows. So we can't find how to turn on light in this next room. I don't understand. Where is this? Where is this light? Okay, so we don't have light in this room. I don't know how to turn it on. And like this it looks. Here we are planning to do guest room, so when they come, my family or some other families, they can stay here. And we will put bed here, you know. And also there are a lot of flowers of this granny who sold us this house. Like this it looks. And here you can see beauty of our village. Beautiful. Okay. And also this is our new closet. We will do vinyl up and make colors what we want. Like this it looks. Let's go. Also there are a lot of books. And write in comments which Russian writers you know, because it's very interesting. And now the most interesting part of this house. It's first time in my life I see something like this, seriously. And also you know that we have water in house, like you know, water there is, just cold one. Also here you can see the most strange thing, how to do light. This? I think it's this. Let's discover if it's this or not. Yes. Are you ready? Oi. This is our bunker where we will keep our things or maybe something else. Let's go, I'll show you. Let's see. This is our underground and this is crazy. It's crazy big. I never saw like this thing. Look, you can build whole apartment here. Also here they did place for keep a potato in the winter, carrots, like different kinds of vegetables. Like this it looks. Write in comments if you have like these bunkers in your country, because for me it's so strange that in my country we have such a thing. Wow, this is just crazy big and it's a little bit cold here. Ooh, let's go. At least you are not scared to go there, like in our old house. I showed you all our new house. And write in comments if it's a good house, if you liked it or not. And thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye!